I know you're not done shopping for the weekend because when you see this video, you're gonna get right back in your car and head over to Walmart. Hello everyone, it's Elle, and if you've been to the home decor stores lately, everyone is bringing in fall decor. So it's time to start thinking about refreshing your space for the upcoming season. And head over to Walmart because right now on the shelves, they are showing your favorite items at clearance prices. Get all the organics and the oranges, creams, browns, and burgundies. Bring it right into your home at a discounted price, and then take a look at some of the new decor for fall right on the shelves. So go ahead and get your fall decor inspiration from the high-end stores, and then head over to Walmart where you're going to get those look-alike pieces at clearance prices, discounted prices, and rollback prices. So stay tuned because there's so much to see right on the shelves or online. You're not going to be disappointed with this year's collection of fall decor from Walmart. Now let's discuss those big ticket items that are showing up all over home decor stores, like the cream linen accent chair. And anytime you go to a Pottery Barn showroom, they're usually featuring their Remy chair in the linen fabric. However, the price is a bit steep, and if you head over to Walmart, you can find the Briar round arm accent chair right on the shelf for $112. You're going home with 2 chairs for under $250, and I think that's such a score because this Briar accent chair is really going to bring in the look of luxury, but for less. And it's pretty easy to decorate when you have options for every budget. Use cream accent chairs as an anchor to help you style your home decor for any season. Walmart carries the Mainstay rolled-armed accent chair as well as a boucle round barrel accent chair, so you have so many options to design a great space. Adding comfort and functionality to your home is being featured in many home decor stores. It's not trendy, it's about functionality. And many of the stores are showing lazy boys and that C table. Now the C sofa table, it comes in variations, but it all stands for one thing. Bring comfort in. Have a place where you can put a drink or a plate at your ease, and Walmart is featuring their Amelia C table at an inexpensive cost. It's right on the shelves, or you can go online for more options. The price is right at $40, and it has so much versatility. You can use this vertically or horizontal. Whatever your decor choice is, it's perfect for the fall. The color is spectacular, and they may have more colors online. Now, the fashionista in me prefers the Truitt drink table above the C table because I just love the sleek and stylish home decor that Walmart is offering on their shelves. And here it is, the Truitt drink table, and it's around the same price. Check it out when you go into Walmart. About $40. I say take one home and style it up. You won't be disappointed. And the best part about it, you're still going to get Pottery Barn looks at inexpensive prices. And rounding out those great fall new items on the Walmart shelves are the rugs. Help your space get creativity, luxury, and great style appeal by choosing to get a Walmart rug. In the store, they usually feature the 5x7s, but if you go online, they're bigger sizes at great prices. So stay tuned for more of the Walmart decor, but before you do that, check out all those great clearance prices. There's so much to see and so much to get in your car for and get to Walmart in a hurry. I truly appreciate you watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. And don't forget to click on the tagged items that will bring you straight to the decor in the Walmart store.